here we have Elsie. And Elsie's a little schnauzer, scruffy terrier. She's 4 months old and she weighs 7 pounds. And she's pretty perfect. She says, I sat up here and got my pictures done. I'm very well behaved. She came in with 2 siblings from the Wessico shelter. I'm pretty sure Wessico. Anyway, on the border of Mexico. She says, I'm a border baby. Yes, she's being so good. She said, I'm the cutest little girl ever. She's almost all black. She's got a few little white hairs on her chest. Gonna put some white hairs on your chest. Look at her. She's gonna sit here and pose. We have no idea how large she's gonna be. We don't know who the mom and dad are. But right now at 4 months and 7 pounds, you know, she'll probably be 15 or 20, but that's just strictly a guess. Look how precious she is. She's such a good girl. She's very smart, very alert, very happy. You know, she says, you told me to sit in my bucket and I'm sitting in my bucket. Love you so much. You're so precious. Yes, you are. You want to get in Lisa's lap? You want to get in Lisa's lap? Look, there's Lisa. There's Lisa. She says, and my tail works. Oh, she says, and I love everybody, and I give kisses, and my tail works. Yeah. Are you Mama's pretty girl? Yes, you are. Yes, I give kisses. Good girl. So this is Elsie. She's 4 months, 7.6 pounds of just cuteness. Very cute, very nice. I'm very smart and very well behaved. Yes, I am. There she is. There she is. Available through Tracy's Paws Rescue.